In this video, we'll walk you through the Ecosystem Content Management application, referred as ECM. To access the ECM, click Manage Node Content from the Ecosystem Content menu in the left bar. The ECM allows node administrators to add content libraries from external content providers on the TIDWIT network, such as Microsoft, AWS, Pluralsight, Udemy, etc. To add new content libraries, click on the plus icon on the right side of the search bar. Then click on Syndicate Libraries. You will be redirected to the syndication panel, from which you can connect to new content providers and add one or multiple content libraries from them. When adding new libraries, they will be immediately added to your catalog and will show up at the root of your ECM application under Syndicated Libraries. On top of your ECM homepage, you will see a search bar and a filter icon, which can be used to search and filter content based on specific criteria. Below the search bar, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the content available on your node, including libraries, learning paths, bundles, content items, and assessments. Library items are listed by default with 8 columns: name, status, publisher, last update, and duration. The last 3 columns show how each item is mapped to libraries, learning paths, and/or bundles. Use the 3 dots menu to access quick actions such as edit, duplicate, delete, preview, add and remove from libraries, learning paths, or bundles. Using the hamburger menu, you will be able to edit selected items, which allows you to bulk edit several contents of the same type. Export allows you to export your library content to Excel. Delete selected items allows you to delete one or multiple items from the ECM. Using the plus menu, you will be able to creating libraries. Libraries help organize and navigate content in a way that makes sense to your business and your employees. TIDWIT libraries can adopt a tree structure using unlimited sublibrary levels. Import catalog allows to massively import contents from an Excel template. Import from online source, allow to mass import YouTube and Vimeo playlists or channels. The videos will be imported under the current library and made readily available to end users for an embedded viewing experience.
Create and upload content item, allow to upload files or create links to existing resources. TIDWIT is content agnostic and can handle any type of content including courses, webinars, videos, documents, images, and web links.
Create learning path and bundle. Learning paths include a list of content items that must be completed by the learner in a specific order. Bundles allow to combine multiple assets into a comprehensive collection. Managing tests and assessments allow to create quizzes and knowledge assessments to validate the knowledge of the learners. Creating events and webinars allow to create online events and webinars that learners can register to and join on Zoom, Teams, StreamYard, or via a dedicated URL. Manage tags. Tags will make the libraries, learning paths, and content items easier to search and find by the user. Tags are also very useful to filter reports according to specific levels, topics, products, solution areas, etc. Publisher tags from Microsoft, Salesforce, AWS, etc. will be imported automatically with the corresponding syndicated libraries. In addition, custom tags can be created and applied to your node content as needed. Thank you for watching.